Navigating the tile jungle. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're going to renovate your place or just refresh your old space, one of the things you have to decide very carefully is which tiles to buy. There are so many options out there that it will make you dizzy. Fret not, though we are going to show you the top 5 tile brands in India, plus a comparison of their quality, design and price, among others, so you have a better idea of choosing the right one for the next project. Tiles play a major role in defining your home's aesthetic, as well as its long-term durability. It's your bathroom, kitchen, or living room. Selecting the best tile brand is essential for achieving both style and functionality. So, let's jump right in and explore the top 5 tile brands in India. Let's meet our contenders. In today's comparison, we'll be looking at 5 of the most prominent tile brands in India: Somany Ceramics, Kajaria Ceramics, RAK Ceramics, Orient Bell, and Johnson Tiles. These brands are known for their quality and extensive product ranges, making them strong competitors in the market. Each of these brands has created a specific niche for itself in the market, but what really separates them? We are going to look at the quality of materials, durability, range of options, designs available, and of course, prices. Stay tuned for a side-by-side comparison. Now, let's talk about quality and durability. Tiles have to endure heavy foot traffic, humidity, and temperature fluctuations, especially in Indian weather. So, let's examine how these top 5 brands perform in terms of quality and durability. Somany Ceramics provides high-quality ceramics and porcelain. It gives hard-bearing tiles that also offer high wear resistance. Kajaria Ceramics provides vitrified tiles that offer high-grade quality and is very appropriate for areas where the floor has to encounter much footfall. RAK Ceramics has gained recognition because of its sturdy porcelain tile that is resistant to water as well. Orient Bell has been famous for providing a wide variety of antibacterial and stain-resistant tiles that make the kitchen and bathroom a convenient place. Lastly, Johnson Tiles are known for being created using raw materials that provide much moisture and wear resistance to tiles. Across the board, all 5 brands offer high-quality, durable tiles. However, some shine brighter in specific categories like water resistance or scratch resistance, depending on your needs. Now, let's talk about style and variety. Whether you are remodeling your bathroom, kitchen, or living room, you'll want tiles that fit your home's style. Each of these brands offers a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes. Somany Ceramics is great at providing a vast range of contemporary and classic designs, ranging from bold patterns to subtle textures. Kajaria Ceramics is the best mix of modern and traditional designs, with a special focus on luxury collections. RAK Ceramics excels in its minimalistic yet elegant tile designs, which are suitable for modern homes. Orient Bell is great for people who love intricate patterns and bright color options. Johnson Tiles offers a blend of rustic, industrial, and modern designs. Of course, there is so much selection out there that sometimes your decision simply comes down to a question of style. You are looking for bold, minimalistic, or just something classic? Well, these brands have everything. Last but not least, let's discuss price and value. The tiles are available in a great number of prices, depending on material, design, and brand reputation. So, how do these top 5 brands compare in terms of affordability and value? Somany Ceramics offers a range of price points, from budget-friendly options to premium tiles, making it a great choice for different budgets. Kajaria Ceramics is on the higher side but offers exceptional quality for those looking for long-term value. RAK Ceramics is competitively priced and offers good value for their high-end products. Orient Bell provides budget-friendly options without compromising on quality, making it a favorite for those on a budget. Johnson Tiles, though slightly pricier, offers a balance of quality and luxury. Ultimately, the best brand for you will be a personal decision and will depend upon your particular needs and budget. If you're going for durability over the long term, you might as well opt for a premium, that is, more costly brands such as Kajaria or RAK. And if you are on a budget, Somani or Orient Bell provides exceptional value. So, here it is, the top 5 tile brands in India, pitted against each other on the basis of quality, style, durability, and price. Each brand has its strength, so the best for you would depend purely and simply on your choices and requirements of your project. Make sure to consider factors such as design, price, and durability before making your final choice. We hope this video has made things a little easier for you as you navigate the world of tiles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on home renovation. Until next time, happy tiling! This script will be helpful for you in developing an engaging and informative video for your audience. Please feel free to request any modifications or additions.